A few months ago, Google Photos introduced a captivating feature that adds an extra layer of flair to your videos as a collection of 12 unique video effects available exclusively to Google One members and Pixel owners. These effects range from subtle enhancements to transformative alterations that redefine your visual storytelling experience. Let's delve into the diverse array of effects that Google Photos now offers. Dust Mix adds a vintage, time-worn feel to your videos. Paper Tear stimulates the aesthetic of a tone paper effect for a touch of drama. PNW Film transforms your video into a timeless black and white cinematic masterpiece. Lomo infuses a hint of retro, lomographic charm into your footage. Light Leak introduces an organic, light-induced imperfection for an authentic touch. Film Mood mimics the mood and tone of classic film stocks. Chromatic plays with colors, creating a mesmerizing and vibrant visual experience. Fisheye distorts your video with a fisheye lens effect for a unique perspective. Vintage takes your footage back in time with a warm and nostalgic filter. Layouts breaks your video into distinct, rearranged sections, offering a surreal visual impact. Retro Film combines the charm of vintage film aesthetics with a contemporary twist. Poster adds an artistic, poster-like quality to your videos. Now let's explore the steps for adding effects to videos effortlessly on Pixel phones. Before we get to that, if you find this video helpful in any way, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as it really motivates us to keep making such content. Open Google Photos on your phone, locate and open the desired video. Tap on Edit, scroll to the Effects category. Choose one from the 12 captivating effects, select Save Copy. Within these 6 simple steps, you can transform your ordinary video into a captivating piece of visual art, imbued with the essence of your chosen effect. While there are numerous third-party apps that offer video effects, Google Photos in-house option provides a seamless and integrated experience for Pixel owners and Google One subscribers. The beauty lies not just in the current array of effects, but also in the anticipation of future updates. Users can hope for a growing library of effects, ensuring that the creative possibilities within Google Photos remain ever expansive. We have more such videos on our YouTube channel, so be sure to check them out as well and follow us for more. Thank you for watching.